So tonight's dinner is brought to you by Vincenzo's Pizza. They're located in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. And I got 2 meals from them this evening. I got one for myself and one for my mom. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. Okay, so the first meal I'm going to show you is what my mom ordered. And she got the spaghetti meatball dinner. So you get a side salad with that. Look how scrumptious that salad looks. I'm going to tear into it so I can show you guys everything that's in that salad. And then just look at this container, how huge this container is. That is the spaghetti and the meatballs. And just to let you guys know, when my mom orders this, there's so much spaghetti and things in here that she normally gets like 3 meals out of this spaghetti and meatballs. That's how much is in here. Let me show you. There's a lot in here. And look how huge those meatballs are. I'm going to actually pick one up then and show you guys how big they are. And then you also get their bread, their homemade garlic butter bread. Now, as you can see, she has 4 pieces here. And that's only because I got extra because she loves this bread. But normally, I believe you get 2 pieces with it. So that is her meal. And then I got what they call a half sandwich special. And what it is, you get a half a sub, you get French fries, and you get a drink. So I got the chicken steak sub. Now, I'm a little different than most people. I don't eat a lot of stuff on my hot subs. So the only thing I got was the chicken, and then I got extra American cheese and extra onion. That's all I get on my sub. But, you know, you can get the sauce, the lettuce, the tomatoes, and all of that. And then here's my soda. And then you get fries with it. And look at all these fries. And guys, this special here is only $9.99. You get a half a sub, the fries, and the soda for $9.99. And you can get just about any type of sub that you want. But I want to, so I dug into my food, but I want to show you guys these meatballs. So I want you to see how big these meatballs are. Look. You can still see the smoke on them. And I got the food like maybe 20 minutes ago. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 huge meatballs in here. So that's what I was saying. She gets like 3 meals off of this. So she'll put 2 meatballs in each serving. Okay. Now let's show you what all is in this salad. Now, she normally doesn't eat this salad. I usually eat it. But you have the cheese, you have tomatoes, you have all different kinds of peppers. You have, of course, the lettuce. And it doesn't come with egg, doesn't come with meat. You have the black olives. You have some shreds of cabbage. But the salad's really good. And then you can choose from blue cheese or ranch dressing. So that is our dinner for tonight. And we're going to enjoy it. So if any of this food looks good to you, then please feel free to call Vincenzo's up and place your order today, especially if you don't feel like cooking like me.